talking about rain in Japanese. In this video, we will learn 20 vocabularies and phrases about rain in Japanese. Let's get started. Number 1. Rain 雨雨雨 Number 2. Shower にわか雨にわか雨にわか雨 Number 3. Light rain 小雨小雨小雨 Number 4. Heavy rain 大雨大雨大雨 Number 5. Puddle 水たまり水たまり水たまり Number 6. Rainy season 梅雨 Number 7. Storm 嵐Number 8. Thunder 雷 Number 9. Rain sound 雨音 Number 10. Umbrella 傘 Lots of words coming, but practice Japanese pronunciation together for 1 minute. Please repeat after me. 雨にわか雨小雨大雨水たまり梅雨嵐雷雨音傘 Great! Let's do a quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say rain in Japanese? Ame. Number 2. How do you say umbrella in Japanese? Kasa. Number 3. How do you say storm in Japanese? Arashi. Great! Let's move on to the next one. Number 11. Wellies or rain boots. 長靴長靴 Number 12. Typhoon 台風 Number 13. Flood 洪水 Number 14. Evacuation 避難 Number 15. Landslide 土砂崩れ Number 16. Weather 天気 Number 17. weather forecast 天気予報天気予報天気予報 Number 18 Rain leaking 雨漏り雨漏り雨漏り Number 19 Drop しずくしずくしずく Number 20 It's raining 雨が降っています雨 means rain 雨が降っています Okay, let's practice Japanese pronunciation together for 1 minute. Please repeat after me. 長靴台風洪水避難土砂崩れ天気天気予報雨漏りしずく雨が降っています Great! Let's do a quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say weather forecast in Japanese? 天気予報 Number 2. How do you say wellies, rain boots in Japanese? 長靴 Number 3. How do you say drop in Japanese? しずく Great! Review Rain 雨 Shower にわか雨 Light rain 小雨 Heavy rain 大雨 Puddle 水たまり Rainy season 梅雨 Storm 嵐 Thunder 雷 Rain sound 雨音 Umbrella 傘 Wellies, rain boots 長靴 Typhoon 台風 Flood 洪水 Evacuation 避難 Landslide 土砂崩れ Weather 天気 Weather forecast 天気予報 Rain leaking 雨漏り Drop しずく It is raining 雨が降っています Great! Today we've learned 20 vocabularies and a phrase about rain in Japanese. Great progress! Hope you find them useful. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. See you next video. またね